Hey English learners! Have you ever said, I'm watching a video, she's staying with her aunt, we're meeting tomorrow? All of these use the present continuous, but did you know they each have a different purpose? In today's lesson, we're focusing on the three most important uses of this tense. These are the foundation of the present continuous, and once you master them, you'll sound more fluent, more natural, and more confident in everyday English. Let's jump in. Use 1. Actions happening right now. This is the most basic and common use of the present continuous. We use it when something is happening at the exact moment of speaking. For example, you're watching this video right now. I'm speaking to you. She's typing on her computer. They're eating lunch. You're learning something new. She's sitting at her desk. They're talking on the phone. The dog is barking outside. We're studying present continuous. I'm teaching right now. These are all things that are happening right now, in real time. If you want to use this use of present continuous correctly, ask yourself, can I see or hear the action right now? If yes, it's probably present continuous. Think of it like this. You're pressing the record button on live. Whatever people are doing right now, you describe it using present continuous. The structure is always like this. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing. You'll often hear these in present continuous sentences. Now, right now, at the moment, currently, at present, as we speak. These are examples with time markers. He's cooking dinner right now. I'm working at the moment. We're having lunch currently. Now, common mistakes in the present continuous tense. She works now is incorrect. She's working right now is the correct form. Let's see some other examples. They watching a movie. They're watching a movie. I am go to school. I'm going to school. Remember, ing is not enough. They must include the verb to be. Am, is, are. If you see the action happening in real life or a person doing it right now, then use present continuous. Alright, I hope you understood it. Let's address the second use. Temporary actions, actions around now. We also use present continuous to describe things that are happening around now, but not necessarily this minute. These actions are temporary. They won't last forever. I'm reading a great book these days. Not right now, but during this time. My cousin is staying with us this week. She's working from home this month. He's studying a lot because he has exams. He's learning how to play the piano this season. He's watching a lot of documentaries lately. Even though the action might not be happening right now, it's still in progress, for a limited time. Common time expressions. These time expressions often go with temporary actions. This week, this month, this year. These days, for a while, temporarily, at the moment, for now, during the summer. Examples. I'm living in Berlin this year. They're staying in a hotel for now. She's working part-time during the holidays. Common mistakes. I live in Paris this week is wrong. I'm living in Paris this week is the correct form. She study for now. She's studying for now. If it's a short-term situation that will change, use present continuous, not simple. Alright, use 3. Plan future arrangements, usually with a time. Present continuous is also used to talk about future plans, especially when those plans are already decided or arranged, like with another person or a schedule. Examples. I'm meeting my friend after work. We're flying to Rome next Friday. She's having dinner with her boss tonight. Are you coming to the party tomorrow? The action is in the future, but the grammar is present. If the plan is certain and arranged, you can use present continuous. So, if you already decided and set the plan, maybe made an appointment, booked a ticket, or agreed with someone, you can use present continuous. Common time words used: tonight, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, on Monday, at 6 p.m., this weekend, this evening, this summer. Example: I'm seeing the doctor tomorrow at 10. If the plan is on your calendar, or you've already told someone or booked something, use present continuous. Common mistakes: the incorrect form: I meet my teacher tomorrow. The correct form: I'm meeting my teacher tomorrow. Another example: she's going shopping on Saturday. She's going shopping on Saturday. Here's a mini dialogue example in real life. What are you doing tonight? I'm having dinner with my parents. How about you? I'm meeting some friends at the cafe. This shows how natural and common this use is in conversation. Awesome job! Now you know how to use the present continuous to talk about what's happening right now, temporary actions happening around now, and your planned future arrangements. These three uses are the foundation for so many everyday conversations, from chatting about what you're doing now to talking about your exciting plans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to improve their English. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep shining.